Hey guys, how you doing? It's Brian with the Midnight Mechanic and Third Pedal Engineering. Now it's January 14th right now, and we want to share with you what we have going on for the week. This is going to be our first Sunday episode of what we got going on. Now, as you can see, the shop is completely redone. We got these really cool cabinets. We got a clean workbench. We got our whiteboard back there where we can keep track of what our projects are. So we are ready to go. This will be our beginning of something really cool on this channel. Now, for this week, what we have going on is with our Firebird. Now, the engine for our Firebird is not something we really are interested in. We've had a lot of history with that engine. Not great history, even though it's a great engine that runs good. It's a long story, and we're not going to share it on here. But never really been happy with it, so decided I want to do something different. So we have an LT1 here that we pulled out of a 95 Z28. We're going to clean it up, just do a basic little rebuild on it, a new cam, and then we're going to swap it in the Firebird. So our plan for the week is just to kind of get this torn down, check it out, make sure the bearings are good and everything like that, and then start cleaning it up and reassemble it. The other thing we might do is with our shop truck, we have an LS1 that we got for it, so to replace the 5.3 that's in there. It's kind of eating the lifter, so it's got some metal in the oil. So we're probably going to get the truck in here, pull the engine out, start getting it prepped to put that new engine in. So that'll probably be our plans for this week. Kind of basic stuff. Don't know if we'll get it done, but we're going to go ahead and try. So follow along, we'll probably show some videos of what we got going on, and Saturday night we will update you whether we actually got it done or not.